Pandas dataframe indexing by date. So Python. With the Pandas module seems like a great option to MATLAB and R. This is why I very recently switched to this. There are resources out there, and I've searched the forum but couldn't find anything similar. If you have links to some tutorials or other useful material out there, please post them. Wes McKinney has a great and elaborate tutorial on Pandas. This URL. At 110 he shows an example of how to index the rows in a data frame by dates rather than integers. I would like to do something similar. The difference is that I have 3 variables, y1, y2, y3, each with a column of timestamps, x1, x2, x3. Where I want to do 4 things. Associate data in U bytes date and 11 for I equals 1, 2, 3. Index rows by dates. Remove all data that is older than April 12, 2012, which is the first date of Y3. Be able to access all date by date and column only. Here's a test file which describes how the data is read and how it prints. You can see that X1 is correctly parsed to the Pandas date format, but not X2 or X3. Which is what I attempted to do by specifying index_call equals 0, 2, 4 and parse_dates equals true. Gives output. Wanted output. If you have any idea of how to do this, your help is much appreciated.
I think your confusion is due to a misunderstanding about the index_call argument. When you pass a list of columns to index_call, Pandas is attempting to create a multi-index, that is, a data frame with more than one column as index, like a multi-dimensional table. It is not trying to create a single index by concatenating multiple columns. One strategy that would work is to create 3 data frames with the appropriate pairs of columns from your input file, and then concatenate them. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, data frame of x1, y1, plus data frame of x2, y2, plus data frame of x3, y3. If you are using the latest development version of Pandas, or are willing to, this is simplified by using the new parse_calls argument in read_CSV. Or you can read in all the data, extract the 3 data frames you need, and then concatenate them. Finally, you can df, truncate with before and after arguments to get the data range you need. More simply, you could use dropner to omit dates with missing values. Hope this helps. Do let us know what version of Pandas you are using.
By setting index_call equals 0, 2, 4, you are creating a multi-index. That's why you get that output. For the output you want read_CSV will not be able to do this on the fly. Just read single and merge the data frames.
Ele vai fazer amor, mexe com subscribe.